round are they have this emotion in expressing this other sides. So it's really good to see debate competitions. And before I start, I already started. I will introduce myself. I am Joshua Noel B. Chagan, your host for this round. And fixing my camera. Okay, so before anything else, I would like to remind the participants of the rules and regulations. Okay, so I'll be reading the rules and regulations based on the IRR. Number 1, before every round, we will do a mic test and internet connectivity test. If there is a problem encountered by any of the speakers, he or she may be replaced by another student registered as a substitute. There is a maximum of 2 substitutions allowed based on IRR 4.1, paragraph 1. Once the debate has started, no substitution may be allowed based on IRR 4.1, paragraph 2. Number 2, maximum speaking time for the first 3 speakers is 7 minutes and 20 seconds based on IRR 5.7 and IRR 6.1.3. Based on the IRR, there will be reply speeches, and maximum speaking time for reply speeches will be 4 minutes. Number 3, based on IRR 6.2, reply speeches can only be given by the first 2 speakers of the team. So whip speakers are not allowed to make the reply speeches. Number 4, based on IRR 5.7, points of information can only be launched after the first minute of the speech until the start of the 6-minute mark of the speech of the first 3 speakers. This also means that the raising of the POIs is not mandatory, but is only encouraged. Please be reminded as well that POIs cannot be launched in the reply speeches. Number 5, in the case one of the speakers will be disconnected in the middle of their speech, the speaker will be given a maximum of 5 minutes to reconnect. If the speaker fails to reconnect within the given extension, his time will automatically be forfeited. The floor will then be given to the opposing side speaker. The current speaker will only be given 3 tries to reconnect in case he or she gets disconnected. If the speaker gets disconnected for the 4th time, the floor will be given to the next speaker from the opposition side instead. Disconnection is not a grounds for automatic loss. These are in accordance with IRR 5.1 to 5.12. There, so that's the 5 reminders before we start the Debate Cup Round 2. There. So, for the second round, we have the catalyst, the government side, versus the charm, the opposition side. And this house supports excess income taxes on corporations that derive a significant profit from pandemic. Government side, opposition side, are you ready? Let's go. Let's start with our first speaker, the Prime Minister of the government side. You have 7 minutes.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we are debating the resolution about imposing excess profit tax on corporations benefiting from the COVID-19 pandemic. We on the affirmative team strongly support this resolution. This House is in favor of charging